this is how to set the date format in your Google Sheet. Now you're going to need a date column, and the first thing that you need to do is to select that entire date column. Then simply go to Format, and from over here, pick the number option. And from the number option, finally, go to Custom Date and Time. And this will present you a bunch of default options that you can pick through. If your desired date format is within here, simply select that, or otherwise you get to customize and to even add further data to this format over here. So if for some weird reason I want the day to show twice, I can add it twice. You can select for the day. If you want just a single number, if you want it to start with 0 in case it's less than 2 digits, if you want to have the abbreviation for the day and so on, the same for the month and the same for the year. And now when I'm going to hit apply, this is going to apply my custom date format that I created. It's a bit weird, but in your case, you may want to select whatever format you need. So this is how to create a custom date format for your data in Google Sheets. Let me know if this helped you. If it didn't, let me know in the comments as well, and I'll try to help you out. Otherwise, thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.